Hey guys, it's Dylan Atcherson over here at Fulenwider Dodge. What I'm going to do today is actually show you how to get a little bit more trunk space out of your 2024 Jeep Compass.
Like I said, guys, I'm going to show you how to get a little bit more trunk space. As you open up your hatch, you will notice you've got your floor mat, and underneath that is actually the compartment, which all you'll do is you'll push this, lift this, and right underneath there is all of your air pump and everything like that. What you can actually do is you can slide it. See these little notches here? You've got 3 levels to where you can actually put it in. Let me put it at the very bottom one for you guys. See, there is a little bit more trunk space for you. Just a little bit more depth, about 3 or 4 inches more deeper, but all in the same, just a little bit more trunk space for you.
Guys, I hope you found this tool useful. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to come over here at 9610 Interstate Highway 20 here in Eastland, Texas. Come by and see your old friends over here at Fulenwider Dodge. Thank you guys so much. Have a blessed day.